Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me, and today we're diving into the 4 best IT jobs in 2025 for beginners. These roles require no prior experience and can help you start your tech career. I'll break down what each job does, the skills you need, the key IT certification which can help you boost your resume, and how much you can earn after landing your dream job. Stick around because the next 5 minutes could be the life-changing for. All right, let's get straight to it. Here are the 4 best IT jobs for the beginners in 2025. Here we go. Starting with job number 1, IT support specialist. Who are they? What do they do? IT support specialists are the first point of contact for troubleshooting computer issues, setting up devices, and helping employees with technical problems. What sort of skills do you need to become an IT support specialist? Folks, you need basic troubleshooting, Windows 11, Mac OS knowledge, basic network fundamentals, and customer support. What sort of certification can help you achieve this? CompTIA A+ is a great starting point to boost your chances to get the job. How much money can you make as an IT support specialist? Entry-level IT support roles can pay between $60,000 to $70,000 per year, depending on your location and company. Job number 2, junior data analyst. What is it and what do they do? Junior data analysts work with data to help businesses make better decisions. They clean, organize, and analyze data to find trends and insights. What sort of skills do you need to become a junior data analyst? Folks, you need Excel, SQL, and Power BI tool for basic data visualization. What kind of certificate can help you to find this job? Check out my video on that and the link in the description. Now, what kind of salary can you expect as a junior data analyst? Beginners can expect to earn $60,000 to $70,000 per year and can grow fast with experience. Job number 3, network technician. Now, who is a network technician and what do they do? Network technicians help set up and maintain computer networks, including routers, switches, and wireless networks. What kind of skills do you need to have? Basic networking, IP addressing, troubleshooting, and understanding network security. What certification can help you achieve this goal? CompTIA Network Plus is highly recommended for this type of job. It can help you boost your resume. What kind of salary can you expect as an entry-level network technician? Entry-level network technician can make around $70,000 to $80,000 depending on your location. Job number 4, cloud support associate. Now, who is a cloud support associate and what do they do? Cloud support associate help companies manage cloud services like AWS and Azure. They troubleshoot issues, configure cloud systems, and ensure uptime. What kind of skills do you need to become one? You will need cloud computing basics, Linux, and scripting in Python or Bash, and some networking skills. What kind of certification can help you achieve this goal? AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a good starting point. What kind of salary can you expect? Beginner cloud support roles typically pay between $75,000 to $80,000 per year, depending on your location. Folks, remember, all salaries mentioned in this video are based on location. Some locations such as California's pay you higher salaries because of the location and cost of living. So there you have it. 4 of the best IT jobs for beginners in 2025. Whether you're starting fresh or switching career, these roles can help you break into tech with no prior experience. IT support specialist, junior data analyst, network technician, and cloud support associate. Each of these jobs has a clear path to growth, and with the right skills and the certification, you can land your first tech job faster than you think. So which of these jobs interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about the best IT certifications to help you get started, check out my other videos. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.